Thanks to this automatic refueling robot, refueling will become even faster and more convenient. Look how easy this cargo drone is. No more worries about traffic jams. Parallel parking is no longer a problem with these driving wheels that can go in all directions and turn on the spot thanks to motorized rotation rollers. Do you want to ski in your car? It turns your car into a snow tank in 10 minutes. No additional modifications are needed, just press the accelerator and you can drive. Protect your vehicle from bad weather. A fully automated design, easy to operate.
This illuminated rotating device can display one emergency signal of your choice in the worst visibility conditions.
With its mower wheels, impossible to get stuck in the mud. With this smart tinted window, you can offer yourself a little privacy at any time and get away from the world when you're sitting in your car. With this airless wheel technology, you never have to worry about a puncture. Modern licensing for modern living. Learn how the digital license plate from Reviver is ready to transform your vehicle ownership and driving experience.